Good morning, children. Today we are going to revise a poem from your English. Okay, that is a traffic rules. That is from the unit number 7.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, now I will share my screen. Traffic rules. Okay, what is the topic? Traffic rules. Okay, children. Rules means what? The rules means some guideline you have to be follow. Okay, that is a rules means some guidelines for the people that how should he behave. That means you should have to behave, what to do. Okay, that means a rules. That is a follow some guidelines. Okay, you all of you follow some rules in your at home, at school. Okay, in the school you have to be follow some rules, that is come on times, clean you wear clean uniforms. Okay, now traffic is related to the vehicles. Okay, the vehicles which is moving on the street. So this is a rules for the vehicles which is follow on the streets. So today we are going to learn about the what are the traffic rules. Okay, now traffic rules, unit 7. Listen, learn, and read aloud. Okay, children, listen very carefully. Now I'm going to read the poem. When you go out into the street, in your vehicles or on your feet, look out for each traffic signs to keep you safe, secure, and fine. To cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. See, children, in these pictures, see, this is a road. Some vehicles are given. Okay, some peoples are there. This is a traffic rules. Okay, that is stand which is show the different lights. Okay, can you tell me how many lights are there in the signals?
Three lights.
Three lights.
Three
Yes,
lights.
very good.
Red light, green light, yellow
Red
light.
light, yellow light, and
Red, yellow,
green
green
light.
light.
Yes, children.
Red,
Each light.
yellow, green.
Yes, red, yellow, and greens. Each colors tell us something about that. Okay, each colors tell us that red color tell us to stop.
Stop.
Yes.
Yellow color
And
means
yellow
slow.
tell us
Green color
to
is
get,
go.
yellow is
And
get
green
ready.
color is go. Ready.
Yes, green colors, that is go. Okay. Now, when you go out into the street in your vehicles or on your feet, okay, when you go out in the street, street means road. The word street is related to the road. When you go out into the street, when you're going on the road, in your vehicles or in your feet, okay, by using your vehicles or on your feet, look out for each traffic signs. Okay, it is a, you should look each traffic signs. Okay, when you're going into the street, into the road, you have to be see first there is a traffic signs to keep you safe, secure, and fine. Okay, that why there's a traffic signals is there to avoid the accident. Okay, to avoid the accident. Okay, when you're going out of the when you're going into the street or you're going on the walking on the road, you should follow the, you should see the traffic signs first. Okay, look here and there, then cross the road to keep you safe and secure and fine. Okay, this will help you to keep us safe, secure, and fine. To cross the road when you go walking, to cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. Okay, when you're crossing the road, first see the zebra crossing. Okay, why zebra crossing means this. This is a zebra crossing. That is a white and black strips on the road show that the zebra crossings. That means when you're walking on the road, you use the zebra crossing. That means walk in the zebra crossings. Okay, now, okay, when you, what is the rhyming words? Street, feet. Okay, Look out for each traffic signs to keep you safe, secure, and fine. The sign and fine is the rhyming. That is a to cross the road when you go walking and use the black and white zebra crossing. Crossing. Okay, that is the rhyming words is street, feet, sign, fine, walking, and rhyming word. This is a rhyming word. Okay. Next.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now see, traffic signals for vehicles. Okay, traffic signal for vehicles.
Pulse.
Yes. If a signal changes to the color red, stop and once don't go ahead. Okay. If the signal change to the color red, that means the signal showing the red color that all the vehicles should stop. Okay. Don't go ahead. Get ready. Be very carefully when it turns yellow. When the lights show the yellow, it means the vehicles is ready. Now, when the it turns green, it is safe to go. Okay, when the light turns in a green, it is safe to go. That means vehicles are going. Obey the rules without much fuss and reach home safe. You are precious. Okay, obey. Obey means you have to be follow the rules without much fuss, without much peace. Don't hurry. Okay, and reach the home safe. You reach the home safe. You are precious. Precious means you are very important. Okay, when you have to be follow these traffic rules for your safe and secure life. Okay, now red show the stop, yellow get ready, and green is go. Now see this color. This is a
Red.
traffic signal. Yes, red, yellow, and green. Now, red means stop. That vehicle
Stop.
stop at the on the street. Okay, where it comes when it turns the yellow, get
Red, red.
ready. And what when turn is green, that means vehicles go. Okay. Now, children, see these pictures. When you go out into the street in your vehicles on your feet. Now see there is one boy who is walking on the street and the one is car which is going on the
Means
street. Yes. Look out
means
for each traffic sign. Okay. The traffic signs which is on the road you have to be look out. Okay. First you have to be see right and left to keep you safe, secure and fine. Then you cross the road which you make us safe, secure and fine. When you're crossing the road, okay, when you're walking on the road, you have to be see here and there. That means you have to be look here right and left, then cross the road. Okay, while crossing the road, you have to be use the zebra crossing. To cross the road when you go walking, to cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. Okay, that means when you cross the road, use this black and white zebra crossings. Okay, children. Now, we should always cross the road using the zebra crossing. That means the thing which you should have to be follow on the road. Okay, when you're walking on the road, okay, when you go school from school to your home, you have to be use you have to be walk on the road using the zebra crossings. Now, safety first. Now, we should never cross the road when the vehicles are running. We should never cross the road when the vehicles are coming. Okay, if you're crossing the road, see here and there, left and right. If the vehicle is coming, you have to be stand there. Okay, don't cross the road. Okay, so that means you should not do this. That you should never cross the road when the vehicles are running. We should never play on the road. Okay, we should never play on the when the after the schools you have to be playing on the road. We should never. Okay, you don't do this. Okay, don't play on the road. Okay, if you're playing on the road, if you're not aware of the vehicles is coming, it should be more chances of accident. Should you always remember we should never play on the road. Okay, look at the words and enact the proper signs. Okay, that means you have to be three colors are there. Each colors have some signs. Each color has some actions. If you yellow, get ready. Green,
is go.
go.
And
Yes,
red is stop.
stop. Yes. Now see, listen and write. Some words are given in your textbook. Listen and write. Okay, now children, listen carefully. I am reading these all the words. You have to be write in your notebook. Watch,
Watch.
go,
Go. Go.
stop,
Stop. Stop.
doubt,
Down.
feet,
Feet.
street,
Tree.
green,
Green.
red,
Red.
yellow,
Yellow.
walking,
Walking.
crossing,
Crossing.
your,
You.
ready,
Ready.
use,
Use.
rules.
Roads.
These are the words you have to be write down in your notebook. Okay, and try to learn all this spelling. Now
Yes.
see, question number 4. Make as many smaller words as possible from the word given below. Okay. Now here there are two words are given. Auto rickshaw is there and motorcycle. You have to be make small words. 5 small words. Okay. From auto rickshaw. Word. Yes. For example, auto rickshaw add. Yes. Add.
Add.
Add. Yes.
Add.
And
And.
tell me. You have to be make smaller words.
Eat.
Add.
Eat.
IT, yes, very good children. IT, eat. And next, what is the next?
Tio.
Oh,
Iron
two,
in.
yes, very good. 202, yes.
Iron
Next,
in. In.
IN, in. नहीं बेटा. Now see, there is a, in auto rickshaw, there is a, N is there? No, na.
Rickshaw.
Yes, rickshaw. Okay, rickshaw. And is there. Out, OUT, out. Okay, so as. So these are the some smaller words you have to be make from the auto rickshaw. Now see the motorcycles. Okay, make all the 5 small spelling from motorcycles. Yes, very good. Cycle. Tell loudly, na, cycle. Next one is, what comes next? Tier 2. Yes, tier 2. Yes. And next one,
Motor. Out.
out. OUT. Yes, motor. Very good. Motor.
Is.
E.
Is.
I is not there. Or. Okay. So these are the smaller words you have to make from the given words. Auto rickshaw and motorcycles. Understood everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Okay. Now, understood the poem? Traffic rules. Okay.
Yes,
Now tell me which are
teacher.
the rhyming words in this
Yes,
poem?
miss.
Yes. Tell me the rhyming words. Which are the rhyming words? Street, feet, sign, fine, walking and crossing. So these are the rhyming words. Understood?
Yes,
Next,
teacher.
traffic signals for vehicles. Red means stop. Red indicate stop. Yellow, get ready. Green means the vehicles. Green means go. That means red indicates stop, yellow wait, and green go. Now, the things we should always cross the road using the zebra crossing. Okay, we should always cross the road by using the zebra crossing. Safety first. Now we should never cross the road when the vehicles are running. We should never cross the road when the vehicles are running. We should never play on the road. We should never play on the road. Okay, children, understood everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, ready everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. Tell me the tell me the how many lights are there in traffic? Which
3.
are these? Three. Yes.
3
And the
lights.
name of three lights. And color? Tell
Red,
me the colors.
green, yellow.
Yes. Red indicate what the red show? Stop. Na?
Stop.
And yellow,
Get ready.
green.
Go.
Yes. Go. Okay. Now next. Okay. Now playing on the road. It is right or wrong?
Wrong.
Yes. Very good. We use the zebra crossings. While walking, we use the zebra crossing. It is right or wrong?
Right.
Yes. Yellow light show go. Right or wrong?
Wrong.
Yes, very good. That means you understood the topic, understood the traffic rules. Okay. Rules means the guidelines which you have to be followed. That means which you should have to be behave. That is called rules. And traffic rules means the vehicles which is used the rules while moving on the road. Okay, why the traffic rules are necessary? To avoid the accident. To avoid the accident, that is we should have to be follow the some traffic rules. Now children, listen very carefully. When you're going to your home, okay, after completing, after finishing your school, when you're going to the home, you have to be, don't play on the roads. Okay, not play on the road. Okay, use the crossing, zebra crossing. Okay, while walking on the road, you have to be use the zebra crossing first. If your zebra crossing is not there on the road, look at here and there. That means you have to be first look right and left, then you have to be move. Understood, children?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Traffic rules,
teacher.
everyone understood?
Yes, yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay. Now, bye everyone.